Alright, what's up guys? I've never done one of these before, but I saw a couple other guys doing them. So I thought I'd give it a go. Just got a new box from JDM Parts Ninja. Thanks Mike, straight from Japan. So thought I'd give it an unbox and let you guys see what's in it. I have done a cool Martin trick here, and I did cut the box open prior to, although I have not looked inside of it yet. So here we go. Packing material. Got one box here. Keychain. Stack of air fresheners. Mask. A couple more air fresheners. Another box. Third box. And an envelope to check out. Let's start with the envelope. I don't really know what's in this. Another thing, Cole, calling you out, buddy. Get a better knife. Steak knife is bugging me out. Alright. Looks like we got stickers. Oh yeah. Well, this might give it away on one of the things here, but we do have we got the red shift pattern badge, as well as the oil cap key. So I think that just gave it away on a little bit there. A couple more stickers here, and then some certificates, which I can't show those because that will give away some other stuff here too. Alright, let's just get into it. One bar for the knife. Very well packaged, as you can see. And not gonna lie guys, first time I've seen one of these boxes, but I get what you guys are talking about. Very nice, cool to display your stuff in for sure. Ooh, alright. We have the Titan Baby that I ordered. Custom done by Robbie in the rainbow pattern with the yellow gold emblem. Very cool. Always had my eye on one of these Titan Babies, so nice. I know I'm not the first one to do this pattern, but colorway. I think shout out Dan was the first guy doing that. But anyways, still very cool to have my own version of it. Always wanted to get one of those once I saw those come out. So next up, next box. Yeah, very nice boxes here. See if we can get into her. Alright, we have the oil cap. Nice. Ooh, shit. Guess the cap wasn't, the coin wasn't glued in there. Alright, I'll find that later. And last up, another box here. Ooh, alright, cool. This is the third Onyx Baby, done in the Christmas scheme. Very nice. Nice touch. I did not know it came with the green turtle too, so that's kind of cool. That's my first green one. Nice, I like it. That's awesome. Put that back in there. Sweet. Nicely done, Rob. Nicely done. Yeah, anyways. I'll do some close-up shots and things so you guys can get a better idea of how they look. But yeah, anyways, then on to the certificates. So as you can see, this will be the Onyx Baby one here in the black. It says Christmas Special 303 on the back there. It's kind of cool. And then the oil cap certificate and the Titan Baby certificate. So very nice. Alright, well, that concludes this box here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully we do a few more of these in the future. Yeah, got some more things coming, and we'll go from there.